Question number 1. The physician orders to start venoclysis with D5, 0.3, NaCl 1 liter solution. The IV fluid will be infused for 14 hours and the drop factor of the macrodrip used is 20. It should be regulated to how many drops per minute? A. 15. B. 20. C. 30. D. 24. First, let's write down the given details, and what is to be found? Given. Total IV volume equals 1 liter. Time equals 14 hours. Drop factor equals 20. And we have to find drops per minute? Equation: total IV volume divided by time times drop factor equals drops per minute. Volume in milliliters. Time in minute. Conversion: total IV volume equals 1 liter. Equals 1000 milliliters. Time equals 14 hours. Equals 14 times 60. Equals 840 minutes. Substituting values to the equation. 1000 milliliters divided by 840 minutes times 20 equals drops per minute. On solving the equation we get 23.80, that rounds to 24. Hence the answer is D. 24. Question number 2. Start venoclysis with D5 0.9, NaCl 1 liter to be infused for 16 hours. How many milliliters of the IV fluid should you infuse per hour? A. 70 milliliters per hour. B. 65.5 milliliters per hour. C. 62.5 milliliters per hour. D. 60.5 milliliters per hour. Given, total IV fluid equals 1 liter. Time equals 16 hours. Find milliliters of IV fluids per hour. Now, let's write the equation. Total IV volume divided by time equals milliliters per hour. When solving the equation, first, convert the 1 liter to milliliters, that is 1000 milliliters. So equation becomes 1000 milliliters divided by 16 equals 62.5 milliliters per hour. Hence, the answer is C. 62.5 milliliters per hour. Question number 3. The physician orders 375 milligrams of cefuroxime for the patient. The drug is available in 750 milligrams vial. You plan to dilute it in 10 ml of sterile water. How much should you give to your patient? A. 2 milliliters. B. 3 milliliters. C. 4 milliliters. D. 5 milliliters. First, write down the given data, and write what is to be found out. Given, desired dosage equals 375 milligrams. Stock strength equals 750 milligrams. Stock volume equals 10 milliliters. Find the amount of solution to be given. Now, let's write the equation. Desired dosage divided by stock strength times stock volume equals amount of solution to be given. Substituting the values to the equation. 375 milligrams divided by 750 milligrams times 10 milliliters equals amount of solution to be given. When solving the equation, we get 0.5 milligrams times 10 milliliters equals 5 milliliters. And the answer is D. 5 milliliters. Question number 4. 1500 milliliters IV saline is ordered over 12 hours. Using a drop factor of 15 drops per milliliters, how many drops per minute need to be delivered? A. 15. B. 35. C. 50. D. 31. First, write down the given data, and write what is to be found out. Given, volume equals 1500 milliliters. Time equals 12 hours. Drop factor equals 15 drops per milliliters. Find drops per minute. Now, let's write the equation volume times drop factor divided by time equals drops per minute. Substituting the values to the equation. 1500 times 15 divided by 12 times 60 equals drops per minute. We multiply 12 with 60 as to convert hours to minutes. When solving the equation, we get 31.25 drops per minute. And the answer is D. 31. Question number 5. 300 milliliters of gelofusin is being infused at a rate of 20 drops per minute via a giving set with a drop factor of 15 drops per milliliters. How long will the infusion take to complete at that rate? A. 2.5 hours. B. 3 hours. C. 4 hours. D. 3.7 hours. First, write down the given data, and write what is to be found out. Given, volume equals 300 milliliters. Rate of infusion equals 20 drops per minute. Drop factor equals 15 drops per milliliters. Find the time for infusion. Now, let's write the equation time for infusion equals volume times drop factor divided by rate of infusion. Substituting the values to the equation. Time for infusion equals 300 times 15 divided by 20. When solving the equation, we get time for infusion equals 225 minutes, that is equal to 225 divided by 60 equals 3.75 hours. And the answer is D. 3.7 hours.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and encourage us.
Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Kindly comment your suggestions and help us do better.